Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tahila, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my 12 favorite places to visit in Abuja. And these places are affordable. Like, you don't need to break the bank before you can visit these places. Some of them have food, some don't have food, and some have a lot of interesting game and activities. So I'm going to dive in. I'm going to be showing you in no particular order. Junkyard, it's both indoor and outdoor. It's a really cool place to visit. Tricadero, it has a really nice bowling alley. Magic or Wonderland, it's a good place for both children and adults. Linear Park is a really good place for picnic and group hangouts. Jabi Lake Mall, it's your one-stop get-all. Jabi Lake Park, a place where you can just chill and enjoy nature. Jabi Boat Club, where you can get it all: beach ball, party craft, kayak, etc. Abuja Kayak. It is located in the National Stadium in a very chilled and calm environment. It is a place where you can just go relax, and to crown it all, it's very affordable. So if you just want to chill and get yourself together, or you just want to enjoy nature, this place is the best place for you to visit. Central Park, this is like my favorite place. 101, my favorite massa place. National Children's Park and Zoo. This is located in Asukoro in a very serene environment, as you can see. The Dome, this is my all-time favorite place to go for bowling. And as you can see, I'm not new in the game of bowling, so when I tell you this is like the best, it is the best. Thank you for watching. Ciao.